السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. Again, Combined Science, Winter 24 بيبر 2 فيرينت ورا تريكي شوية. مش هسيبك، لازم تفهم. اوكي ان شاء الله يعني. اي جي نوفا. I'll be doing chemistry bio and Mr. Mahmoud as usual will be doing physics ان شاء الله. يلا نبدأ don't forget we cancel out wrong options, explain again and we just go for trial error if we can as much as we can يعني. خليني بس غير القلم. يلا بسم الله. As usual biology. First question. بسم الله. car is filled with fuel يعني أكل nutrition and is driven away يعني في movement و driven away يعني يعمل excretion صح with gases. So which characteristic of the living organism is not matched by similar processes. احنا قلنا في excretion because with gases فديت مش correct option. Growth is permanent increase in dry mass, permanent increase in number of cells. مفيش match هنا ليها. movement driven away يعني movement. respiration يعني fuel release of energy. So correct option here which is not matching مع ال description هي ال site of all chemical reaction definition grade 8 cytoplasm. partially membrane لازم cell membrane vacuole membrane كده option A easy question. uncooked potato piece بيقول لي uncooked potato عشان يخلي فيه osmosis identical in size mass placed in different solutions which sugar solution cause decrease in the mass of potato يعني هيحصل حاجة اسمها exosmosis. So water moves out of the potato pieces. فلازم يكون البوتيتو placed in a solution which is or which has less water يعني less water potential أو higher solute concentration. So decrease mass potato a solution with higher sugar solution of sugar concentration معايا دوت أكيد ماشي. so out. ف statement 2 I can't read خلاص out. a solution with higher water potential لا solution with higher water potential هيخلي فيه endosmosis يعني يخلي فيه gain في الماس لكن هنا فيه decrease في الماس. ف 3 out يعني 2 and 3 out so option. again الجراف اللي انا بحبه يعني اللي انا ماشي كده خلي بالي فيه increase collision بس ما تنساش ان ال successful collision هيوقف معايا هنا ال effective collision بيوقف معايا هنا. ده effective ودوت not effective. اوكي طيب at which point is frequency of effective collision is highest. اختار هنا option C طيب دي دي تكون option correct when if he says at which point is most collision يبقى دي لكن effective successful collision يعني C. تمام. uh, which substances produced by plants contain either magnesium ions or nitrogen atoms. magnesium ions يعني محتاج chlorophyll definition أو function للمغنيسيوم هو ion to be part of chlorophyll فأنا محتاج ال BCD. النيتروجين يعني أمينو أسيد صح يعني إنزيم يعني هرمون يعني cannot be starch صح لكن لازم إنزيم. شوف أنا عملت ماتشنج فأوبشن دي سو مغنيسيوم للكلوروفيل والنيتروجين للأمينو أسيد. تمام سو أوبشن دي. فلويم ترانسبورت سبورت ولو ورايا كده phloem transport translocate definitely and xylem transport support يعني xylem بدي support transport accept. so 3 لازم معي so دول برا. بعدين هتشيك الفلويم support wrong. اوكي so phloem support لا transport yes and يعني 2 3 3 is already أصلا select. question 7 what is not possible risk factor for coronary heart disease. risk factor هو factor you can by which or due to them one or more يعني you can catch a certain disease or you can have a certain disease. في ال CHD coronary heart disease في genetic predisposition في gender في age لكن healthy diet لا، ده prevent اصلا. methods of prevention، الدكتور يقول لي healthy diet to prevent ال CHD. What's the sequence of structure؟ ده fact، easy no technical issues here. when entering the body، في nose، بعدين في larynx، بعدين في trachea، larynx بعدين trachea، so these are out. then bronchi أو bronchus left right then bronchiole. so option E. equation for respiration، more likely this is aerobic respiration عشان في oxygen في reactant. ال R لازم 2 صح؟ O2. تمام. so easy. make sure C6H12O6، C6H12O6 في البيب 6 مظبوط. then 6O2 P6 again and O2 and glucose اللي هو Q عنده 12 hydrogen. okay. so C. grade 11 إن شاء الله عندنا in details the structure of glucose. almost done with bio إن شاء الله. which shows the change in pulse rate and pupil width that occur when a person is frightened. يعني adrenaline تنساش، الأدرينالين بينكريز sweating pulse rate pupil diameter all increase. تمام ما شاء الله عليه. بيديكريز بس البلاد فلو للجت للسمول intestine which we don't teach in IGCSE we teach only in index exams. which statement about oxygen is okay. oxygen في تكنيك ليه. التكنيك هو oxygen is made in the shoot tip then oxygen diffuses down the plant then oxygen is unequally distributed due to gravity and light then oxygen causes elongation growth. so ده بيبر 4 خلي بالك ها. عندي تكنيك MDUE. MDUE oxygen is made shoot tip diffuses evenly بعدين unequal distribution because of gravity because of light and oxygen main function is to cause elongation growth. it causes cell division wrong. elongation equally distributed in response to gravity غلط. unequally distributed made in the leaves mistake in the shoot tip unequally distributed don't forget technique Q أو part Q بيقول لي صح. during pregnancy in humans gas exchange occurs between the mother and her fetus. where does this gas exchange occur؟ مع ال lung of the baby أو lung of the fetus اللي هو ال placenta. Placenta can act as a lung, placenta can act as excretory system, placenta can act as gas or breathing system, gas exchange system, can act as endocrine system as well as it releases progesterone and so on. which animal gets its energy from eating another animal؟ grade 8 carnivore. تمام. ما تنساش syllable vor يعني eat، carn يعني flesh. تمام. herb يعني plant، vor يعني eat. So herbivore to eat plant, carnivore to eat flesh or to eat animal. So option A. Bio is over. Chemistry. Which process produces a chemical change? Chemical change يعني you have different material, different chemical. Adding ethanol to water they don't mix أصلا أو physical لو في mix أساسا. Adding sodium to water ده يديني NaOH plus H2. So this is accepted. Boiling of water change of any phase is a physical. Same here. So wrong. So option B is okay. Element contains more than one type of atom. Stick. Element pure element contains pure atoms. Okay. So only one type of atoms. Compound. Difference between compound mixture. Compound chemically combined together, and mixture chemically not chemically combined or only physically combined. Okay. So compound contains elements which are chemically combined. Contains elements mixed together. Mix يعني mixture. This is a mistake. So option C. potassium chloride is solid at room temperature. Ammonia is gas. Which statement explains the difference? Ionic bonds are stronger. Check my previous video. We don't judge the strength of any bond, huh? لأن criteria مختلفة. Covalent bonds are stronger than ionic bonds again. تمام. The attractive forces between ions in KCl are much stronger than covalent bonds. Again, we don't judge the bonding based on the strength of the bond, لكن based on the intermolecular forces. Attractive forces between molecules are weaker than ionic bonds. ده accepted. ليه؟ لأن ionic bond by definition هي electrostatic attraction force. And boiling point أو melting point لل covalent molecules could be judged by the attractive force between the molecules. So option D, titanium plus 4 and oxide minus 2. سهل. titanium hot 4 cancel charge and O hot 2 cancel charge, then swap. So titanium 2O4, so titanium O2. So B. Which statement the charge بس by the way guidance يعني يبقى left hand side ولا right hand side which statement about changes at the electrodes during electrolysis is okay. Anions gain electron. By the way, anion is negatively charged. So they do not gain electrons. They lose electrons. So this is wrong. Anions lose electrons. خلينا نفكر فيها. Cations gain electrons. صح لأنهم positively charged. Okay. Cations lose electrons. Mistake. So let me continue either B or C. Anions lose electrons at the negative electrode which is cathode. غلط. الانيونز مع الانود اللي هو positive. So option C. 2Cl2 give Cl2. ده bond formation. Don't forget bond formation is exothermic. ف 2Cl وهنا Cl2. Reaction is exothermic. Don't forget this is EA and this is delta H. For any exothermic reaction, the energy level of the reactant is higher than the energy level of the product. So chloride molecules اللي هم دول has this chemical energy than the two chlorine atoms, except, let me think about it. Let's cancel out wrong options. The two chlorine atoms هم دول obtain full outer electron shell by forming a double covalent. Mistake. Single covalent. The process is endothermic and energy is taken in. Mistake. Bond formation is exothermic. The process involves only chlorine, so energy is neither given out or taken in. This is enthalpy change, يعني في energy gain أو loss. So this is wrong. When temperature is increasing أو concentration is increasing. تعال نشوف trial error. همشي واحد واحد trial error. Change. Increasing concentration. Activation energy increase. Wrong. Concentration has no relationship with activation energy. Increasing concentration, the activation energy stays same, except collision per second stays same. Mistake. الcollision per second هتزيد though not successful. لان successful collision مع temperature only. don't forget. مره نعمل كلاس كامل على الشابتر دوت بتاع activation energy collision and so on. So option A B are out. Increasing temperature activation energy remains same. صح. خلي بالك activation energy مش kinetic energy don't forget. Collision per second increases except number of particles with energy greater than activation energy لازم تزيد. ليه؟ لأن ديت هي فكرة idea of activation, sorry, idea of kinetic energy given by temperature. So this is wrong. So option D. You can read option D. I canceled out other options. Magnesium chloride is soluble salt, which is made when excess magnesium reacts with dilute hydrochloric acid. Technique to separate the ice crystallization and chromatography can't help because this is used to separate color solutions أو حتى colorless مع allocating agent. Crystallization accepted. So I cancel one and I need two. So C. What is used to show that a compound contains potassium? Flame test to give lilac color. Accept. Okay. 23. Sodium has a melting point of 98 degrees Celsius, density of 0.97 gram cubic centimeter. Which row shows melting point and density of rubidium? So group 1 is lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium, and French. No need to memorize. Predictable, inshallah, will guide you. The point is, if you go down, density increases and softness increases. يعني melting point decreases. So density increases. So I compare rubidium, صح؟ rubidium. with sodium. So sodium has less density but higher melting point. So rubidium will have higher density, more density يعني أنا هنا، لكن lower melting point. So B. Which group of the periodic table contains monoatomic gases؟ monoatomic يعني نوبل جاز على طول ها؟ اعمل لاين على طول للسؤال دوت على طول. لاين question. I name it line question. أي حد بيدي بلس في البرودكت هو more reactive. تاني unbound metal اداني بلس في البرودكت ان هو السترونجر metal، ف W more reactive than Z ها. تمام. compare Y مع Z كده. compare Y مع Z. الواي اداني بلس 2، فالواي more reactive than Z ها. وطبعا الاكس واضح ان هو least one. So most reactive is W and least reactive is X and Y is stronger than Z. So option A. ما تنساش البرودكت اداني بلس يعني هو more reactive than other atom او other ion في equation. Which metal can be extracted from its ore using hydrogen؟ الله، يعني less reactive than hydrogen. copper. No technical here. No technical issues. Rusting. Iron wire coated with grease يعني no absorption of oxygen. في barrier ما بين الاكسجين والايرون، يعني هنا no rising الاير will remain as it is. ف tube Y no change. تمام.